So in last two videos we made this. Yeah, basic player movement and the first level. But if you go to the end of the level, well, you can't go to the next level. So you have to find a solution for that. When I was watching Karlson gameplay, I've observed this. See, whenever the player touches the milk, he teleports from level 1 to level 2. Oh, you're wondering what Karlson is? Well, I'm glad you asked. Karlson is just a game Dani is working on, which is currently the 28th most wishlisted game on Steam, so go wishlist now, gamers. So I quickly went on to Google and found this milk 3D model, and this is how it looks in Unity. Let's make it a little smaller, and yeah, that looks way better. Then I've made the spinning animation of the milk. Then I've programmed the milk so that whenever the player touches it, the scene changes into level 2. And now I'm going to duplicate level 1 and let's go to level 2 and remove most of the things so that we could know the difference between the level 1 and 2. And now I've done a few additional things to make the scene work. So guys, it's time to test the portal out and you can see that it's spinning and the moment of truth, ha, it works. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like the video, smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye.